In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to your PowerPoint presentations effortlessly. Watermarks can add a layer of professionalism and protect your content. Whether you're preparing a corporate presentation or just want to maintain a unique touch, watermarks can be a great asset. Let's dive in and learn how to do this using PowerPoint. First, let's open PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, make sure you have your presentation open that you wish to add the watermark to. Now head over to the View tab. Here you'll find several options, but for our purpose today, we'll be clicking on Slide Master. The Slide Master is the key to making sure that your watermark appears on every slide. After clicking on Slide Master, you'll see a series of slides on the left-hand column. Click on the very first slide at the top. This is the master slide, and any changes you make here will be reflected across all slides in your presentation. Now let's navigate over to the Insert tab. We are going to insert the watermark image here. Click on Picture and then select this device. This will allow you to browse your computer files. Locate the watermark logo you wish to use and insert it into the slide. Once your logo is uploaded, right click on the picture and select Send to Back. This ensures that your watermark becomes a backdrop for your content rather than overshadowing your slides. Next, to give it that classic watermark look, head over to the Picture Format tab. Here, find and click on Transparency. You'll want to set the opacity to a lower setting. This will make the watermark more subtle and less intrusive, allowing your primary content to stand out while still ensuring the watermark is visible. Once you are satisfied with the transparency level, return to the Slide Master tab. Your final task is to click on Close Master View. This final action will apply your watermark across all the slides. And there you have it, a professional watermark on each slide of your presentation with just a few simple steps. By following these steps, you've added a watermark to your presentation, ensuring that it appears on every slide. This method is both efficient and effective, allowing customization while keeping it straightforward. Practice these steps a few times, and soon enough, adding watermarks will become second nature. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.